bakers! Welcome back to, of course, Piece of Cake! Once again, I'm Rana at your service! Today I'm gonna show you how to do a no microwave marshmallow fondant! I know it's very easy to do this with using a microwave, but I grew up in the Philippines where microwave is not a common appliance at home. So I thought this tutorial might be useful for those who doesn't have this kind of appliance at home, or you're just simply not a microwave fan. For the ingredients, it's very simple. We only need 3 things: 300 grams of mini marshmallows, 4.5 cups of powdered sugar, and 3 tablespoons of water. And for the tools, we will use a mixer with hook attachment, a stand or hand mixer will do, a steamer, or if you don't have a steamer, you can use any pot. Just make sure your glass bowl will fit on top of it. The first thing we will need to do is to sift our powdered sugar to get rid of the lumps. You don't want those on your fondant. Then we set aside our sifted powdered sugar. The next thing we will do is to melt our marshmallow. So we pour in the water to the marshmallow. On a medium heat, place your marshmallow on top of the steamer and stir continuously until every marshmallow is melted and your liquid is completely smooth. It has to be very smooth, guys. You cannot afford one marshmallow floating around your liquid. So it has to be this smooth, guys. Then pour in your melted marshmallow at the middle of your sifted powdered sugar. Ooh, that looks tasty. Melted marshmallow and powdered sugar has been mixed well and it starts to form these little lumps, I take it out of the mixer and knead it with my hands. You just want to use vegetable shortening so that it doesn't stick on your hands. Knead it, knead it, knead it, knead it. Ooh, it's messy. It's messy, but it's tasty. If it's too much for you to knead, you can also take just a part of it, small portion, and knead that. And so that's it. That's how easy it is to make your very own no microwave marshmallow fondant. So I have portions of it for easy kneading, little portions. And then of course if you want a bigger size, all you have to do is just combine them to get a bigger size. For coloring as well, you can color each of them any color you wanted to. I just wanted to say that just put 1 drop at a time because it can go a very long way. And then if you're also not going to use it right away, I usually wrap it with saran wrap and then store it on an airtight container. If you think it's going to take a while before you will use it, pop it in the freezer or in the fridge if you wanted to use it the next day. And then just put it in room temperature for about half day before you use it. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you have any suggestions of anything you want me to do, just please leave a comment below and I'll try my best to do them next time. And once again, thank you so much for watching. This is Rana of Piece of Cake. God bless you all. Bye!